Hey everybody, it's Paul Grossman, the Dark Arts Wizard of AI-driven test automation. I got my dragon shirt on today, and we are going to spend just a couple of minutes on a particular challenge. I'm going to show you this challenge right over here. This is a little challenge that I built just this morning using WebSim down over here. Basically, I went through and asked it to build a bunch of stuff, and eventually it kind of turned into a Back to the Future theme sort of thing. This is to celebrate the Automation Guild 2026 to a conference that is starting Monday, tomorrow. It runs for 5 days. You can get tickets for 3 days or 5 days, and I'll be hanging out there. I'm not presenting this year, but I will be presenting in March. And we're celebrating the Automation Guild 10-year anniversary. 10 years, can you believe it? We're going to be celebrating that by having all sorts of different people every single month give a presentation on all this. So the whole conference starts tomorrow. If you haven't got your ticket yet, please check it out. You can get the ticket. You can also go, you can get it online. You can go check out Joe Colantonio's stuff. But the fun way that you can do it is you can go to this particular link. Now, this is a link that I put up here. This is my automation challenges. What I do is I will put up automation challenges, and I will build them and then try and use different tools to try and solve them. So you've probably heard of my Candy Mapper challenge that I've done. Well, this is a brand new one, and I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to walk you right through this. You just go to that link over there, the link over this direction, and you will see that this says to build the AG26 time circuits. Turn on your audio because you're going to have a lot of fun with this. This is what we're going to do, is we're going to attempt to automate these 4 different things. These are weights. The page is going to build. So I'm going to click the first one. We're going to do a weight with times, the destination times, preset times, and unless the part of time is all being built, you can see the gas gauge is completing over here, how long it takes to complete. And once it's live, well, everything comes up and starts doing its little thing. So there's our stuff over there. We can just sit here and go, and we can even interact with the keypad. It all works. And if I change the dates, I have a control over here. I can go have a drop down, open up. I can change it to different random dates. I also have a scroll that has 100 years into the future or 100 years into the past. And if I change it, you can change the morning, the evening, like that. And then the last thing is just to click on Back to the Past, which will start the car, get our engines running, and we'll go back to our home page like that. So once that's done, you can go and try it again, except this time instead of a gas gauge, now you have a spinner spinning around doing all sorts of cool stuff. There is no break. You have to be able to wait for this entire thing to complete. It is a random amount of values that are being done over here, so the time is not always the same. And then you've got our time jump history that's being listed over here. Everything is all set. Our little flux capacitor is flexing, and then I can click on the Back to the Past. You'll hear the engine start, and we'll blast through the past back to our main screen right here. The third pass is to wait for toast pop-up messages. They're going to pop up over here, and if you are good, you should be able to pick up on these pop-up messages, these toast messages that appear in the screen. Marty, we have to go back. The flux capacitor is fluxing, and see if you can pick up on those. All right, there's a pair of socks implement where we're going. We don't need roads. And now we'll hit the Back to the Past. We're going to go back one more time, and we have 4th path that we want to go and get to, which is the wait for pop-up. Now, in this case, we're going to have a pop-up, and if that pop-up comes up, it's actually going to stop the process. So this is the most challenging one here. Oh, it's a format alert. System alert, format the SSD drive now or later. Oh, I definitely want to format it later, not now. Okay, so I click on that, and then our process continues on. And because it's sitting up there, you'll notice that this is going to take a few more seconds to complete. All right, we've got all of our times all in there. and we are ready to go. Our system is going, and the last time is click the path to the past. Now, just to remember, and I got 2 people watching me, thank you very much, and one of them might be my cousin. So if it's my cousin watching, hey, man, hi, how's it going? This is the Automation Guild 2026. It starts tomorrow, February 9th, and if you click on that picture, it'll take you right over here to the Automation Guild. I'm gonna go pop that into our discussion over here. So if you want to go and check it out and see it, it's really cool. 3-day event, only $227, but if you wanna be there for the entire 5 days, it's $327. You can get your 5-day ticket right now and check a look at what you've got. You got on the 3-day event, we've got functional automation, live video training sessions. You've got to a lifetime access to the complete recordings that you can go back to. I've got access to the last 10. Can you believe it? I've been there for 10 years. There's a big bonus. There is a private community of 2,600 skilled software professionals to ask questions, get feedback, find solutions. I'm on that, and you can network with them. And then bonus number 2, there's a Test Automation Accelerator, a new interactive live training session. So you can go and check that out and see how you can get trained. And it doesn't matter what tool you got. If there's a tool, if you're using Selenium, if you're using UFT, if you're using Autonomous, if you are using Functionize, whatever tool you happen to be using, there is somebody out there who is using it. So you can go and ask that. Now, if you go to the 5-day event ticket, well, look at this. You've got functional, non-functional, functional and non-functional automation, live video training sessions with 3 90-minute workshops. You've got lifetime access to those recordings as well. You get to the same thing, join the professional community up there. And bonus, there's a Test Automation Accelerator that is the new comps. I think I just already said that. And there's a third bonus, the Automation Guild JoeBot. It's a customized train bot that will go and answer any questions. That does QAs. There's a roundtable. There's a workshop session presented that you can sit there and you can go and have it answer any of your doubts on there. Hopefully, there's going to be a live one. I'm not sure if Joe's gone all the way automated on that because it'll be cool, kind of cool to watch that. But that is it. We're going to end our live stream right over here. Do check this out. That is the Automation Guild Conference 2026, Testing the Future. And they're going live tomorrow, February 9th. So enjoy your Super Bowl Sunday and hope to see you at the Automation Guild tomorrow. Check it out. Cheers.